Administration in Kubernetes. This is again the one of the important topic that we discuss in the interviews. Administration like scaling, updates, upgrades, and back. What is scaling? Scaling is like horizontal pod auto scaling. So it scales pods based on the CPU, memory, or custom metrics. VPA automatically adjusts resource request and limits. Cluster autoscaler or carpenter adds or removes nodes when pod cannot schedule. Standard stack, HPA plus CA or carpenter. So updates, a rolling update incrementally replace old pods with the new pods. The question that I usually ask, if your rolling update is stuck somewhere, old pods are not getting deleted, but new pods are provisioned. So that is also one of the important topics. So recreate kills all old pods, then starts new. Blue green, two full deployments, switch traffic via service from blue to green. Canary deployment sends small percentage of traffic to new version. Cluster upgrades. Also, I usually ask in the multiple interviews how we can do the skip level cluster upgrade. So how we can do that? Upgrade the control plane first, and drain the nodes, upgrade the nodes, and uncordon and resume the traffic. What is the backup strategy? You always back up your HCD core of disaster recovery. Use HCD CTL snapshot store of cluster or Velero backup, application level backup, PV namespaces, resources. This does not replaces your HCD backup. Test, restore quarterly, and untest backup is not a back. Key takeaways: scale with HPA autoscaler, a rolling update for zero downtimes, upgrade one minor version at a time, backup HCD regularly, automate, test, and document everything.